Excellent advice about caring for a canine. Dogs are truly the greatest creatures on earth. Whether or not you agree with my assessment, you must love them as you have arrived at this video, which gives you many tips and tricks regarding caring for a dog. Pet ownership is not easy, so continue watching this video to find out as much as you can. If the cost of your dog's high-quality food is a burden for your family, team up with another one and buy in bulk. The big-name pet store chains offer top-rated names in pet cuisine at a significant discount when bought in the larger quantities. You can minimize the cost for you and some friends while still providing your dogs with fresh and wholesome meals. Because nonverbal communication is vital to dogs, you should devote yourself to learning how to read your dog's signals. If it seems as though your dog holds back when around other dogs or people, don't insist that they interact. It could end up with someone getting bit. Watch out for those nonverbal clues and let your dog guide any actions you perform. Your dog has teeth just like you, so it makes sense that he needs proper dental care. Invest in a dog toothbrush and brush his teeth often. Simply allowing the vet to do it at his regular checkups is not enough. You can also purchase treats that are specifically meant to help with your pet's teeth. If you have medications at home, ensure that it is safely hidden away and out of the reach of your dog. Swallowing a couple pills could cause serious health issues, even heart attacks and seizures. Call the vet immediately if you suspect that the dog has swallowed the medication. Now that you have all of these tips and tricks in mind, you are ready to make your dog's life better. It is up to you to use each tip one by one, changing your dog's lifestyle bit by bit. The more you do for your dog, the more he'll love you in return. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.